Dad? Hi.
Little help here? Cover? Anyone? Literally anyone.
I love dragons, and I love Toothless. He's beautiful. Why didn't you tell me you were really going to bring him here?